Good evening, guys. I have breaking news. This is the Chicago storm of 2011. As you can see, there's a blizzard, and these are whiteout conditions. This is the bottom of my stairs right here, and I cannot even step off into this. Okay, guys, it's me. It's Barbara of BarbaraNaturallySpeaking.com, and this is part of my entry into a contest for NaturallyCurly.com. They are looking for a video blogger to review some products, and I believe I would be the best person for the job. As you can see, I'm passionate about my hair, as I can weather any storm. I love to talk about natural hair, natural curls, and finding the right product to show those curls off. As you can see, mine are under a hat right now, but I have a ton of them. And like I said, I think I'm the person for the job. I'm it, y'all. So make sure that you go onto YouTube and view the video as much as you possibly can, because the votes count. Get your vote in now for Barbara as the new video blogger for NaturallyCurly.com.